Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. And the topic for today's discussion is do not spam clients with too many emails. Ladies and gentlemen, whenever you are running a business, you are having large number of clients. And related to your business, you time and again send emails to your different clients according to their needs and requirements. Different clients have different needs and requirements, and various organizations who are providing services to their different clients, they keep sending mails to their different clients related to what new and innovative they are bringing in their business and how that innovation can be beneficial for their clients. But we must have a restraint over here while sending emails to clients. We should not send them back-to-back mails. While sending emails to customers, to clients, please do not send them mails unnecessarily. Sometimes it happens that we do not explain about a particular thing to our client in one go. We explain a little bit part of it through a mail, and then after few days we send another part, after a few days we send another part. So what we do, we want to explain same thing to the customer, one particular thing to the customer, but we divide it into parts, we break it into parts, and different parts we send to the client through different emails. Because of this, the inbox of client, it gets unnecessarily filled up, and that becomes a point of irritation for client. The client says that this person is unnecessarily irritating me, sending me illogical and incomplete mails every day. If he has to explain a particular topic, why he is sending different mails on different days? Why he is not sending one mail in which everything is mentioned in a clear-cut way? So this is how clients think. Clients think that by sending them unnecessary mails, you are wasting their time. And definitely you are wasting their time, ladies and gentlemen. And please don't think that the client is only thinking that you are wasting his time by sending emails about the same thing in parts or different days. The major thinking which the client has in his mind is the client thinks that this person is absolutely unsure about his own business. The client thinks that this person is absolutely unsure about his own business. That is why he is not able to explain to me his point of view in one single email. Remember it, ladies and gentlemen, what client is thinking about you when you are sending client different mails on different days about the same topic in parts. The client immediately thinks that this person is new in business, I should not do any kind of business with this person because he is sending me different mails on different days. He is explaining the same part of, he is explaining parts of the same thing. Why he is not sending me complete mail in one go? Why he is explaining me little chunks of a big thing on different days? It is making me more confused. So instead of sending me different mails every day, he should have sent me one single mail in which he has explained everything about his proposal, about how he is going to provide me services, about what tools and technologies this person is using to provide me necessary services according to my needs and requirements. So it should be mentioned only in one mail. One mail having complete details of how you are providing services to your customers, how will you help your customers in accomplishing their project, and the customer will also be satisfied. Okay, this person has sent me complete document in which everything is mentioned, that how this person is going to help me, how his organization actually works, what services they actually provide to their clients. So everything is mentioned in one mail. So I am also satisfied, and the person who is sending me mail, he is also satisfied. And it will develop a good relationship between client and service provider. But what this person is doing, he is sending me unnecessary mails every day. One incomplete mail today, next incomplete mail tomorrow, another incomplete mail day after tomorrow. So I don't have time of combining these mails and then understanding the whole material. So it is a wastage of time. Ladies and gentlemen, please do not overcrowd the inbox of your client with unnecessary mails. Clients are so busy, ladies and gentlemen. The people who are your clients, who are handling their own specific projects, they are already overburdened with their own specific tasks. And by sending them unnecessary mails and incomplete mails, you are making them more irritated. And once they get irritated, they will take away their company's project from you and they will hand it over to some other service provider. So you will lose your complete business. And losing business means losing credibility, and losing credibility means in future also you are not going to gain any business. That's why be very sure about this thing. Whatever you want to explain to your clients, your customers, explain them thoroughly in one single mail. One single mail that is dealing with one particular topic that you want to explain to your customers. Everything should be mentioned in a systematic order in that one mail, and just by reading that single mail in a brief manner, the client will be able to understand your point of view. And this is going to strengthen your business relationship with the client in future also. So please keep this thing in your mind, ladies and gentlemen. This is very crucial. And please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA, and press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.